Hello and welcome to InfoWare. We have a new version of MapTrip. It's now version 4.10.1, and there are some small but important changes in it. So we put MapTrip on a diet, so to speak. The first change is that the APK now is only 50 megabytes in size. Before it was 120 and growing from version to version. What we have done is we have removed the text-to-speech engine from the APK. It is now a separate APK. That has the advantage that if you are updating your MapTrip installations, you only have to update a package of 50 megabytes on each device. If you are doing that to a couple hundred devices, that is a huge, it goes a lot quicker, of course, obviously. Then number two is our MapTrip accesses the internet quite a lot to ask for fresh routes, traffic information, fuel prices, speed traps, stuff like that. And today, when you stop your vehicle and it remains stationary for at least an hour, then MapTrip goes into a sleep mode and it stops any internet connection that it has been using. So the data consumption is reduced significantly, and that reduces the cost of operation of MapTrip. And then thirdly, there is a web search now, so you don't always have to enter an entire address. You can also enter a search string such as InfoWare Bonn, and it will find that, and you can use that as a destination. So our customers have already received an email informing them of this change log here, and that specifies all the changes and the link to download and the installation guide and all of that. And if you're not a customer yet, you should definitely change that. So give us a call, send us an email, and we will provide you with a download link to download MapTrip and to try it out and to evaluate it. And I'm sure you'll love it.